everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. It is late in the afternoon. We just finished a fun little birthday dessert for my husband, whose birthday is today, and now everyone's kind of off relaxing, and I thought I'd come up here and share something special and exciting with you. And it's right here on the floor next to me. What could it be? It looks like a box of the new fall products from Jordan Essentials. It smells like a box of the new fall products from Jordan Essentials. So if you know that movie quote, name it in the comments down below and stay tuned to find out what's inside. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. I'm excited to share with you everything that's in store inside my pre-sale collection that I got at Jordanvention of all the new fall products from Jordan Essentials. So let's take a peek at what's in the box so far, and then I'll set everything aside. We can go through it one by one, but I wanted to show you this is our new fall winter catalog. So I'll have a link in the description down below in case you want to see the digital format of that. But it has me getting excited for all of the fall things. You can kind of see and get a sneak peek of some of the things we have on here, like cinnamon sticks and star anise, and maybe a new scent. So definitely some fun stuff in store. Right off the top here, we have the August Joyful Jordan box, and I have a separate video where I did an unboxing of that. So I'll have that linked down below as well if you want to see what comes in the Joyful Jordan box this month. And now here is your sneak peek at some of the products I have in store for you. So let me set the box aside and we'll go through things one by one. One of the most exciting things about getting to go to Jordanvention in person is that we get to see and experience and hear about the new fall products from Nancy, the owner herself. And we get to see and smell and try everything first, which is really exciting. So I'm going to start things off with our new fall scent. Every spring and fall, we come out with a new seasonal scent, and so for the fall and winter season this year we have this new scent. It's called Cozy, and it's a combination of vanilla, cinnamon, and a touch of home, and that smells as good. Oh my gosh, I just love this shea butter. I've been using a ton of this already just because I can't get enough of this scent. So it smells as good as you think it would, with the warm spices and the homey, cozy smell, just like the name says. So this comes in our whole collection of Bath & Body products. So in the kit that I got, I have the shea butter in a 4-ounce tube. I have the Magnesium hand and body lotion in a 3-ounce bottle. And I just remembered I actually have the little 2-ounce tube of shea butter that's already in my purse. I've been carrying that around with me everywhere. And then this, of course, is our salt scrub with the Dead Sea salts. I love our salt scrubs. They're just a great combination of that, oh my gosh, that lovely, cozy, warm scent. You can see I've already been using it. I actually did a little mini hand spa over on my Facebook page, so you can check that out if you kind of want to see how to use all these products together. So that is the Cozy scent, which is our new scent for the fall, and it comes in all the Bath & Body products, so there's lots of options and choices for that. And along with that, I used, when I did my hand spa, I used our new Healthy Home Lemon Essential Oil Foaming Hand Soap. We have lots of great foaming hand soaps already in our catalog, and this is just the lemon essential oil, which is not in our catalog. So this is a special one that came out just for this new catalog, and it's part of our Healthy Home collection. So we are focused, of course, on having healthy, botanical, plant-based ingredients. Everything is non-toxic. It's made in Missouri. So it's just a wonderful collection of products. And this fall, we came out with this Healthy Home line that is kind of a revamp of something we used to have, but it's even better now. So I loved our Healthy Home cleaning spray, and that went away with our last catalog in the spring. And I was hoping something would come back, and now we've got this whole kit. So you can get this whole set all together. It's the empty blown glass bottle, so it's a durable glass bottle, and then it comes with 2 different concentrates that you can use to fill the bottle. Let me set this box aside. So you'll have your bottle that you can fill. Better stand that one up so it doesn't go rolling, and it's got the sprayer on it. So one of them is the lemon essential oil, and you would just fill this up with water and add your bottle of the concentrate. The other one is our wonderful resistance blend of essential oils. And the resistance blend is a really powerful blend of essential oils that helps with just killing and fighting off all the yuck. I always forget, so I'm going to look it up. It's a combination of clove, lemon, cinnamon, rosemary, and eucalyptus essential oils. So it helps to get rid of any unwanted germs in your home, and it smells amazing. So I'm really excited to have this back in our line, back in our catalog now. We've got those refills that you can get by themselves. You can get the bottle and the refills together. You can have your lemon foaming hand soap at the kitchen sink. And when I did my hand spa, I did it with the lemon foaming hand soap in combination with the Cozy Salt Scrub, and it smelled amazing. So definitely excited about that. One of the other things that came out in this Healthy Home line is a cold processed soap, and this is in a lemongrass essential oil scent. So that is just as fresh and lemony as you would think, and that cold processed soap is going to last a long time. I love having lemon soaps in the kitchen because it cuts through any food smells that you don't want after cutting onions or garlic, things like that. All right, the other exciting thing about this new fall winter catalog is we have revamped our face care line. We have already had a great collection of face care products and makeup as well. Now, some things that were in the line before are still there. It's the same great products. They just have a new look and a new label. Plus, we added some new things. So this is a new exfoliating scrub. It's called our Scrubinator, and it's a green tea pumice deep scrub. So I did try this. I have some issues with rosacea and sensitive skin, dry skin, combination skin. It kind of depends. But I felt like this was not too harsh on my skin. It's probably not something I would do more than maybe twice a month, but it felt great when I was done. I felt like my skin was really fresh and rejuvenated, and I loved it. And I think it would also be really good on your feet or your elbows and knees, anywhere, your whole body, anywhere you want to do kind of a deeper scrub. Then we have our Hydrolicious face wash. So this is our amazing face wash that we already had, but now it's in combination with the hyaluronic acid. So it's going to add that extra moisturizing element. I tried this as well, and it feels soft and moisturizing and feels amazing when it was all done. Now we have a couple of other things that came in the line that I'm extra excited about. So I'm gonna try and pull out, we got this great little set of all of these samples. So I'll kind of set these out just so you can see. This is our Pore Party, which is our charcoal face mask. We already had a charcoal mask. This is the same one. It's just got a new look and feel with that fun label, and it's in the jar instead of in a tube. And now these are some of the other samples they gave us. So we've got the Calm Balm. I'll show you that more closely here in a minute. The Mojito, I'll show you that one in a second. That's the Scrubinator and the Hydrolicious. So basically everything I've shown you except for this one and the Mojito. We'll talk about that and the Calm Balm here. So this is our new Rosemary Mojito face mask, and this smells amazing. This one I've already used several times because it's my new favorite. Oh my goodness. So it's rosemary, it's mint, it's got that cool calming effect. It's in a clay base. I'm going to grab the catalog because I'm still learning about some of these products, and I want to be able to tell you a little bit more about them and really let you see and know a little bit more about why I'm so excited about it. So there we go. So the Mojito, it's rosemary, mint, and lavender essential oil face mask, and it will help balance your complexion, revitalize your skin, feel deeply cleansed, and I love it. I've been using it several times now, and it's kind of my favorite, like, refreshing, cooling face mask. And it's so fun if you want to have a Jordan party and have your consultant come over, they can bring this, and your friends can come over. You could even make it a whole mojito themed party and really get into it and have fun with that. So then after you've done your masking, your scrubbing, your cleansing, all of those things, we have our Spritz and Bliss, which is our toner mist. And this is going to help balance your pH and minimize pores. This is our same amazing toner we've had all along. I love it because it's a quick spray. I just spritz it on, brush my teeth. By the time I'm done brushing my teeth, it's dry, and I can keep going with the next step in my skincare routine. Then we've added our Glow Getter. So this is another one I'm really excited about. So this is a jojoba facial oil plus frankincense and orange essential oils. So it has so many amazing benefits for your skin. It felt great on my combination skin. It was moisturizing and soft. It wasn't too oily. I've tried it both at night and in the morning before my makeup, and it soaks in beautifully and just really moisturizes and hydrates your skin. And because of the combination of essential oils, it's going to help brighten and just soothe and calm your skin. So it's really a good one. If you're wanting to try our facial oil, I definitely recommend that. Then the last thing we've added that's new is our Calm Balm. So this is our new night cream. This is a heavy night cream. This one I used when we were at convention because I was so tired, and oh my gosh, it smells really good too. So this is another one. I'm going to grab the catalog because I want to show you, I can show you really quickly just how thick and rich this is. So a little goes a long way, and it's just that beautiful moisturizing cream. It soaks in, feels great, hydrates your skin. You wake up and your skin feels amazing. And the smell is so nice. So let's take a look at the catalog and learn a little more real quickly about why it smells so good, because I love it. Natural oils and aloe restore and revitalize tired skin while you're sleeping. Wake up with a plump, youthful glow. I think if I remember right, this has lavender and orange essential oil. I can't even remember, but I just know the combination of essential oils that's in there. It smells so good. So that is everything that I got in my collection of the new fall products from Jordan Essentials. There's so many good things that I'm excited about, and I've really been enjoying getting to use them all and try them out. I'd love to hear in the comments down below which one you think would be your favorite or which one you're most curious to try. Stay tuned. I'll be back tomorrow for my Tiny Tidy Tuesday video. On Friday, I'll be back with a beautifully organized in 52 weeks video. And on Sunday, I'll be back with a planning video. So thanks so much for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.